Alright, so welcome back again to my video. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to create a Facebook pixel. So if you are in your ads manager, so just on your left side, click on the events manager, and from events manager here, you can choose from your personal account to business portfolio or other account. So I'm just going to choose my business portfolio that I'm going to use. Click on the connect data and click on the website and click next, and here we're just going to create the name of our new data set. So let's just call it and click create. Alright, so you see that we have already created our new data set. So now the next step, we have to connect our website. So I'm just going to choose to connect manually, and I'm going to click on the pixel only and click next. See the instructions from here and finish. So from the next step here, we are just going to click on the copy code and then go to your WordPress. So I'm just going to go to the plugins and click on the add new plugins and search for plugin called WP header. So I'm just going to use this plugin. As you can see, 2 million active installations. So click on install now and then activate. Alright, so then scroll down and search for the plugin that you have installed. It might just be here. It is called code snippet, and click on it and just search for header and footer. Wait for a few seconds to load. You can see the header now, so you have to paste the code that you have copied from Facebook events manager, and then what you have to do is click save changes, and that's it. So then go back to your Facebook events manager and click continue and click turn on automatic advanced matching, and you can verify the customer information you want to send. So city, country, date of birth, gender, and emails, and many things. So now for the next step, click continue. Alright, so for the next step now, click on open event setup tool, and here you are just going to add your website URL. So copy your website URL and add your website URL and click on open website, and you can see that our Facebook pixel was just successfully created. So from here you can just track any activities from your website. So for example, if we just track new button, and you can click here on the button you want to track, and you can just select which event, and this is the button to add to cart. So you can choose the currency as well, which you like to choose. So I'm just going to choose the PLN and click confirm, and you can just scroll down and track all these buttons, and from here you can just track a new button. For example, you can from add to cart and confirm, and so you can just go back on your website as well and track more other events on your website. So track, so for example, you can just for contact information or subscriber, for a subscriber, and click confirm, and these are the activities you want to track. And maybe for people who have added to cart, is already tracking everything. So we need also to just track the proceed to checkout. So what we are going to do is to click on track a new button here and click on the proceed to checkout and select which event you want to track, initiate checkout, yes, and let's just go to the proceed to checkout. From here we are also going to track for the placeholder. So just click on the track new button here and click on the placeholder, and here we are just going to add as a purchase. And also if someone just click on the add payment information, they will be initiating or payment info. So click confirm, and that's all what we have to track. So you can just go ahead and track many things that you want. So after that, just click on the finish setup and click the finish, then click done. So after that, you will just be redirected back to the Facebook pixel setup. So click on the test event manager now. Alright, so now that we have created our Facebook pixel and started tracking our activities, so it might just take some few hours or some few minutes. We can see around 30 minutes to start showing you some activities. So now that we can just add this dataset to our Facebook ads manager. So just click on the all tools now and click on the business settings. And from here you can just scroll down and click on the business manager. Click on the business manager settings. So from here you can just scroll down to data source and dataset. Click on the dataset, and then you can just assign some asset. So click on assign asset and select our ad account and click on add and click done. And you can also add some people to this Facebook pixel that you have created. So you can just click on the assign people and you can assign all these people, or you can just assign one person like you want, and then you can just use event dataset or full management of events data. So click assign and then you are done. So alright, so thank you for watching, and I hope this video was so helpful. And if you have any question, let me know that in the comment section, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.